that's why I come here.
Okay, right. Yeah, correct. Similar issues are there for you, like the girl that came before. So we need to work on the chin. We need to work on this part. This side is come outside. More work on this side.
Yeah.
Here, here, here. Little less work here. Maybe no work there.
Is it more?
This side looks
broader?
nice.
Yeah, actually I like this side, and I just want this side look like this side.
Correct. We can do that.
Okay, so one more thing. This side, if it looks like this, so do we go through that V-line surgery?
Not exactly. V-line surgery is for symmetry. For when the jaw is symmetrical, then V-line surgery. Yours is facial asymmetric correction surgery, which means this side I will not touch. Why I should touch? In your case, this is nice. This we can touch a little bit. It will look better. Then this side major surgery. And chin we have to do, because chin is gone like this, not in the midline.
But I saw all your videos actually. I'm following you from. I even don't know where I was not working. I was just doing my college.
Oh, long time ago.
Days, huh?
You come with your mom?
Yeah. So
Okay.
I just like campus selection before a few months, and then I decided that I'm earning, so I just want to
Get the procedure done.
Yeah, I just rely on them only. And I said, my mom, if I need money now, so give it to me. I'll give it back to you when
When you earn more.
Yeah, I'll earn.
That's very sweet.
So I'll किश्तों में चुका दूंगी.
ऐसा थोड़ा होता है पिताजी नहीं होता है सब पेरेंट्स से.
Yeah, but the thing is, because before sometimes ना mother has also issue of cyst होता था ना यूट्रस में कैंसर का हो गया था, तो उनके इसमें बहुत पैसा लगा, तो सारा पैसा उधर ही चले गया. तो फिर मैंने सोचा एक बार ही चलो जो होगा देखेंगे कंसल्टेशन और सर्जरी ऑल्सो. वी आर वेटिंग फ्रॉम like 1 month. We are here from 1 week.
1 week you came here?
Yeah.
Because I think Richard would have contacted and told him or something.
And I tried if I come for consultation also. So someone messaged me like don't come for consultation also. You can come on 25 only. So I said what we do is just have to wait here, and Mama is not feeling well, so we just do reservation of today.
Also going back today?
Yeah, but if my surgery will done or tomorrow or a day after tomorrow, so I can be there, or I'll come after a week.
Whatever you want. So see, I have written clearly what all surgeries you need. It's going to involve work on this side mainly chin. These three is the main area.
Yeah.
Maybe little bit here, that's all. Here we won't touch. So you have to stay with us for 7 days after surgery.
Okay.
And recovery will be about 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
It will be a lot of bony work. We'll make the face symmetrical. We'll also make it proportional. So I've written all this.
Does it look like a same like that? Like
Yeah, it will make like that. I'll make it like that.
Actually, I had a money issue. So how it will cost the main reason?
I will ask them.
Like I don't have problem with sharing video or
Okay.
anything, because it's because we spend so much money to mom now, so we have so low budget.
We'll ask the manager to talk to you. They would have already given you an estimate, right, on the phone. So now we know clearly what all has to be done. You know, because we've seen the scan and correctly.
One more thing, like for this side now, what would we do?
Genioplasty.
Just cut this.
You bring it forward, keep it in the midline. It's gone little bit like that now.
Yeah.
Oh, then
So
correct.
it will be little bit, right? Just.
Little bit only it will come forward, maybe about 6-7 millimeters.
I don't want to be.
No, it will not come down.
long,
No, it will not come.
just,
Just symmetry will be corrected, it will come out forward. Okay. So you talk to him, he'll tell you the costing, then you can tell when you want to come.
And one more thing, is it area look broader? Like I ask with
Which area? This area?
Yeah.
No.
So,
It's good.
Is it good?
Yeah, don't do anything there.
Don't need to work on this area
No.
in future also.
No.
No? Is it good?
It's good. You don't need to work there.
Yeah. Good.
Sure.
Okay. so just need to do little much this side, little much that side. No,
More this side.
this side and little much this side, and this part.
This side.
Is this a bone?
Yes.
Bone thing or just a
Bone,
muscles
bone,
or fat?
bone. I'll be working on the bone.
Did you saw this scan?
Yeah, I've seen the scan already.
Okay, so this
Bone.
is a bone.
That's why I'm saying like this so confidently.
Okay.
It's a bone.
There is a nothing, no bone issue. There is a bone
Yeah.
is
More
bigger
extra.
or okay. That's why my face looks asymmetrical.
Yes, correct.
Okay, we'll go.
Okay. So ये बीजों को भेजो. आप you go meet.
If they'll confirm me na, so I'll cancel my reservation of matlab.
Yeah, you talk to them,
हाँ.
and if there's any doubt, again you can wait and talk to me.
Yeah, okay.
Hmm?
Okay. Thank you
You're
so
welcome,
much.
welcome, welcome,
Thank
welcome.
you so much.
Welcome.